up, everybody? This is Justin Myrax, also known as F Major, here with Native Instruments in my home studio in Orange County, California. Today, I want to talk about Maschine, which is pretty much the next level of beat production on a professional level. Maschine is a hardware and software-based solution. It gives you the ability to create slice points within Maschine. You actually can preview them directly from Maschine without even applying them. So it gives you a lot of flexibility and you get direct feel of the samples before you even apply anything. Maschine also gives you this new destructive audio editing, so you don't have to bounce between programs in order to do things like truncate, reverse, copy and paste samples. You can do it all from Maschine directly from the hardware controller. Most of the functions in Maschine can be automated. So I can automate the parameters such as tuning and volume control and a lot of other features and functions. Another thing I really like about Maschine are the pads. Unlike a lot of controllers I've used before, the pads on Maschine are really responsive, and I can play drums on Maschine without using a lot of force, or I can play notes and chords on Maschine. Maschine 1.5 now offers vintage sampling playback mode, which emulates the sounds of, say, the SP1200 and the MPC 60.